So Karina bought these today, and we tried them out. They have a weird, freaky top on them, but yeah, I look like this right now. And Karina's gonna help me peel it off. It's supposed to hydrate your face or whatever. So I don't know.
I didn't put this on your face for optimal peeling, because I didn't know we were filming this.
It's alright. If it doesn't look good, then it doesn't look good. Don't expect much from this video, guys. Nice.
Ew. There's nothing on it, just like the way your pores are melted on this.
Oh, they're actually on there?
Well, like the shape of them are on there. You got some big pores compared to mine.
Nice. So it's all done, yeah? That's it.
I mean, there's still stuff on your face, but yeah.
Alright. Sorry, everybody. That video's done with. My face feels good. I'll see you guys next time.